Hey everybody, this is Radio Rebel. I am eating noodles, colorful noodles, awesome noodles. Yeah. Well, I'm talking with my mouth full. Okay. Alright. Okay, here. I want to have a couple calls from you guys. And I'm going to have callers and everything. So, you're on caller number 1 with Radio Rebel. What's your question?
What's your favorite kind of food?
That's a good question. My favorite kind of food is tacos. And the second would be spaghetti. And then spaghetti tacos. Or patacos. I like pie.
What are you eating now?
These colorful noodles, like I said. With tissues.
You're eating tissue?
No. I'm not. I'm using tissues because I'm bored. And I gotta go. So, next caller. Bye.
Bye.
Alright, now, caller number 2. You're on Radio Rebel. What's your question? Well, if you saw my video, or my recording, I got this by going to Spreaker Web Radio, like you are probably now, or listening to it. So it's Spreaker Web Radio, but you would go to www.spreaker.com and make an account, get like a microphone, headset, or whatever. Then get then get internet if you have it, like I said. Then you just go to record or something, and then you record it on this broadcasting thing. You can either record a podcast, or you can broadcast live. So, yeah. Thank you. No problem. Alright. Next caller. Alright, caller number 3. You're on with Radio Rebel. What's your question? Caller? You there? Caller? What's your question? No, I am not stupid. Why would you ask that? Okay. Next caller. After this commercial break. Bye. Hey everybody, this is Radio Rebel. I'm back. We're gonna have the next caller. Ready? Caller number 4, you're on with Radio Rebel. What is your question? So what's your question, caller?
I'm picking on Sally.
Clicking? Whoa, Sally?
Yeah, picking no, Sally. Everybody says it sounds like picking nose Sally.
No, it's not. It sounds like flicking. Whoa, Sally. I have no idea. Well, what's your question?
Do you pick your nose?
No. Next caller, bye. Okay, caller number 5. 4? Did I just have that? 5, yeah, caller number 5. Sorry. Caller number 5. You're on with Radio Rebel. What's your question? Wanna go out with me? Sorry, I can't. I'm not singing, like I said before. So sorry. Well, if you weren't, would you? Probably. Just, I would have to go be friends with you first. Okay. Alright. Alright, we're gonna have one more caller, and then we're gonna have a couple more callers. Alright. Caller number 6, you're on with Radio Rebel. What's your question? Yeah, where did you get your headset at that you were talking about? Oh, I got it at Walmart. Like in the electronic aisle. Yeah. The Walmart in RV stores. I have no idea any other Walmarts, but. Well then, alright, we're gonna have the next caller right after this commercial break. Hey everybody, this is Radio Rebel. We're gonna have one more caller. Listen. Here's our next caller. If I can find a next caller. Alright, caller number 7? Okay. Caller number 7. You're on with Radio Rebel. So, what's your question, answer, or whatever? I call that. What's your name?
Michelle.
Who?
Michelle.
Michelle? Is that a girl's name or a boy's? It's like a boy name?
No.
Okay. Who do you least like out of the economy? Like, who would you want to win? Obama or Mitt Romney?
Mitt Romney.
Cool. So, I'm gonna take a short intermission break. Sorry, guys. Bye. Hey guys, we're back with Radio Rebel. Alright. Well, hey Abby, you're just in time, but you're a little late because I'm doing my radio show right now. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
Well, I'll shut this thing off so you can tell me about the thingy. Alright guys. We're gonna take a little break so she can tell me, so bye.